Hello and welcome. In this demo, we will use the non-parametric numXL kernel regression function to calculate values for observations with empty or missing values. First, in an adjacent column, add the x values we wish to calculate for. Next, select the top cell in the column adjacent to the x values and type NXKREG in the formula bar, then press the FX button on the left. The Excel function arguments window pops up. For the x argument, select the cells in column A. For the y argument, select the cells in volume B. For the polynomial order argument, type 2 for quadratic. For the kernel weight function argument, type 6 for Gaussian kernel. For the kernel bandwidth argument, type 1 or leave empty. For the optimization switch argument, type 1 or true to compute an optimal kernel bandwidth value. Next, select the cells with desired x value in column D for the target argument. Finally, for the return type argument, enter 0 or leave blank to return the fitted, aka in forecast, values. Now press on the OK button. Here you go. The function returns all fitted values using kernel weights, function with optimal bandwidth. Great! Check out the fitted values and original data points on one graph.